Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the power supply unit, unlatch and remove the system's base cover. Then, unlatch and remove the front bezel from the system. Identify and unlatch the hard drive to remove it. Find the power supply unit and disconnect the two cables. Remove the two screws and unlatch the unit to remove it from the system. To reinstall the power supply unit, place it back in the system. Relatch it and install the 3 screws. Reconnect the 2 cables. Relatch the hard drive and place the front bezel and base cover on the device. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.